Hey Juno, my name is Max. This is your free website audit showing you how you can rank in Google and bring in a lot more customers through your door. And like I said, that's the general gist here, is trying to rank in Google for select terms that your clients are already searching for. And I know that they're searching for these specific keywords because I use this software called Ahrefs. It shows me that 140 people every month are searching for roofing contractors in Temecula, California. And then there's also another 100 people every month searching for roof repairs in Temecula, California. So as we can see, I can show you the three main ways to get up in this #1 spot and in this Google Map pack. So the #1 thing is the content on your home page. You'd want about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you would want it to be rich with these select keywords that I just showed you. So if we copy everything here, including what these images are paid for, and I throw it into this word counter, you can see that there's about 456 words. And like I said before, you're going to want to add at least 11 to 1,200 to that and throw in some specific keywords that we're talking about here. The next thing is backlinks, and what a backlink is basically one website passing power to the next through a link on their home page. So if we take your URL here and I throw it into Ahrefs again, it shows us the back end here, and it looks like you have 94 backlinks coming from 16 different websites. However, your trust flow from Google is only a 1.1, and that's probably why you're not ranking, because a lot of these backlinks are no follow and are not passing as much power as they could be. The third and final thing is citations, and citations strictly have to do with this Google Map pack here. So I can show you that. What a citation is basically the business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which makes it more relevant and gets their Google My Business page ranking in this Google Maps. This makes it a lot more verified and a lot more trusted, not just for Google to rank you, but for your customers to verify you and trust you, and then they'll click on your website and be able to click on this request estimate. So that's the main three ways to get up there and to be bringing in over, there's 240 people a month searching for what you're offering. If you get into these #1 spots, you'll probably bring in about 50 to 65% of those. So as you can tell, that's quite a bit. Those are the three main ways. I hope that this was worth your time. I do appreciate it, and I will follow up with you tomorrow at about the same time, 2 o'clock. So I appreciate you listening. Thank you. Bye-bye.